Beautiful.
He will.
Wow.
Oh no, trust
Beautiful.
me.
Hey, remember in Arizona, Anthony?
No.
You don't remember Arizona?
Nope.
Dude,
Okay, where's the lightning
Told you I have
forks?
horrible memory.
you do remember Arizona, dude. Remember when we were singing the
Probably the
car?
only part I remember was
Yes.
burying our dogs.
We
Come
didn't bury that many dogs, you asshole.
I said
There's
burying
fucking
our
lightning
dogs.
happening all the way around.
And our 2 dogs that died.
Alright. Anthony. You remember when we were singing at Dad's work one time at that house?
No.
No, you didn't even let me finish, you liar. The thunder and lightning being so fucking strong, hearing in our chest. Fucking liar.
You see the lightning forks?
Yeah. It's pretty.
It's getting closer too, actually.
You guys gonna get Nikki. No, I'm joking. I'm joking. It's not.
That's not funny.
It's not. It's not. Look at your face and all. Sorry, kid. It's not so that. You think we'd be standing out here? Honestly,
Yes.
this ground is hot.
Yeah.
For me.
Tomorrow's gonna be hell bad. So over there, over there, over here. Come on.
Here, hubby.
You see it?
Beautiful. He's missed it, Nikki.
Yeah, he's too busy fucking being scared. Stop being scared. It's not gonna hurt you.
Missed that one.
I saw it.
I just hope the phone's picking it up. Stupid ass camera on it.
Mm.
Yeah, stop.
You recording it?
Don't grab my
Yeah.
hand. You are gay.
Anthony,
This car needs cleaning.
Yeah.
So good. Start cleaning it.
Yeah. I squirt it
beautiful.
outside.
Get your ass over here, watch.
I am watching.
Kitty.
Should be coming in a second.
Furball.
Yes, it's furball.
We gotta get that fucking collar off of him.
Yeah.
It's not doing him no more good.
Yeah, plus it's gonna choke him. Furball. Furball. Fucking cat doesn't even fucking.
Get him.
No, no use. It's wild.
But Wild Cat.
He's wild now.
Ew.
You.
Furball. That fucker forgot.
Furball just poop over there. Why it's in the morning.
Give him one more good one.
Where's the moon?
Hidden.
Grab him.
Don't grab him. He's full of fleas.
You're gonna give him a bath.
Yeah, what? As soon as he goes back outside, he's full of fleas again.
But we don't let him go outside anymore.
Yeah.
Great. You had to sell something to me. He looked up at you and he was almost turned. It's a lot, Mom. It's a lot.
Come
You
on.
ruined it.
One more good one. There's a good one.
That's all.
That's good.
All right.
It's a lot.